Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at Avax, which is the coin for the Avalanche project. So I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. Now, with that being said, I also want to thank you guys for the support. Thanks for leaving the comments and thanks for joining the Telegram channel. Now, with that being said, let's jump into the charts. So right now we are on the weekly. And as you can see, since the past video that I did on AVAX, we did come down even lower, and I'm going to give you new buying zones. So we are still below the 20 EMA, which is relatively bearish, but it is only bearish short term. Long term, obviously, the entire crypto market is going to be bullish. So as you can see over here, we're getting overextended on the MACD. So once Bitcoin finds its bottom and will continue going up and not have these major dips pretty much every other day, then low cap gems and these more stronger altcoins are going to feel a lot more solid. They won't be this volatile. So right now is the best time to be getting into crypto because a lot of people, including me, were sorry that we didn't get into the crypto market back in 2020. The Black Swan event that happened in March with the virus breakdown. So this is kind of a similar situation, and you should be buying this entire dip, but obviously that is not a financial advice. Now, that is it on the weekly. We're still the RSI is still kind of resetting. As you can see, we're just making this let me just show you. So we're making this low. This was the first low. Now this is going to be the second low. This is kind of a double bottom pattern on the RSI, and that is a bullish reversal pattern. And this is just a signal that we are going to start a little pump very soon. Not a pump, but we're going to reverse the trend, and we're getting overextended on the MACD. So we are starting to set up for that bullish cross down the line where the signal line crosses the MACD, the moving average crosses the signal line, which is the blue line. So yeah, look out for those things. And if you really want to play it safe, then wait for Bitcoin to make the bullish cross on the daily chart where the 20 EMA crosses above the 55 EMA. And that is when you start getting into the market. But that's it on the weekly. Let's get back into the daily chart. I do apologize if it is a bit messy for you guys. I am going to remove some of these useless, well, for now they're kind of useless, so I do apologize about these trend lines, but these are great support areas and resistance areas that you are going to need to keep in mind. All right, so we're just gonna have one over here. Now, as you can see, we did actually get below this buying zone that I gave you, so we're going to overextend it. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you, pretty much since that low, right around here. So now the great buying area is going to be in between $15.5 and $6.50, pretty much dollars. So yeah, you could say that, yeah, I'm changing the buying area. Well, yeah, because I have to adapt, and I don't want, you to think that I'm trying to fool you or anything. I'm always going to be honest with you with these charts. I'll always tell you what I see, guys. And what I'm seeing right now is potentially, if we do break down, you're going to land on this previous high that we have over here. So we landed on this high, and now we're coming back down, and perhaps we might even land a bit lower, which would be somewhere in between, $6.50 to $7. So that would be a great buying area, because if Bitcoin does retest 24K or 25K or 26K, you can look for those prices for AVAX. Now, as you can see, we made the bearish cross on the daily where the 20 EMA crosses below the 200 EMA, and that is considered a death cross per se. And we're getting the death cross with the 55 EMA crossing below the 200 EMA as well. But as you can see, the space between the 55 and the 20 EMA is getting a bit extended. And when that happens, that is an indicator of a reversal. So I keep saying I keep talking about these reversals, guys, but trust me, it is coming, because you just can't be in these low zones on the RSI and on the MACD for a very long time. You're gonna start coming up, because look at this. When we were in these low zones over here, look where we ended up. We ended up over here. So we're looking at the same picture, but I think the FOMO is going to kick in a lot more towards the end of the year. So everyone who is and will be buying this dip is going to be in massive profits come December. So keep that in mind. So I gave you new buying opportunities and a great selling opportunity for you to swing trade or to get out of the position would be at $21.50 pretty much. So we have one resistance at 21.5 and one resistance at $20.50. We have two kind of double tops over here. This is where we broke down. We couldn't hold the neckline, so we broke down. And yeah, keep these prices in mind, and let me know if I missed out anything on the charts. So we're gonna go into the 4-hourly chart just to see what is going on over there, and maybe I can give you some short-term entry points if you wouldn't like waiting for for this dip, and if you don't per se believe that Bitcoin is coming back that low. So as you can see, we're kind of starting to break out with the market right now. Bitcoin's going up to test that 35K. And as you can see, we are in this bearish cross at the moment on the 4-hourly as well. And every time we go up for the bullish cross, the 20 EMA, the yellow line, gets rejected off of the red line. So that is happening right now. But what is happening right now at this very moment is we're breaking out. Avax is going up towards the $11. I apologize, $11 price range. So you can see this strong resistance over here at $11.58, and that would be the 55 EMA on the 4-hourly chart. So look for that as a strong resistance, and also the 200 EMA is a strong resistance as well. So keep that in mind. That would be $15.77. So keep all of these prices in mind, guys. If you're looking to get into the charts, I gave you a couple of buying zones, and if you're looking to sell, then I gave you a couple of selling zones as well. So yeah, keep that in mind. I thank you for watching, guys. I really appreciate all the support. If you feel like you want to support the channel, then there is a USDT wallet ID in the description. Feel free to support me, but don't feel like you have to. It is all good, guys. I'm here to help you, and I'm not asking really anything in return. So thank you for watching, guys. Let me know if I missed out anything in the charts. Let me know if you're involved in Avalanche. And yeah, let's hope that the market recovers, and let's hope that we all become millionaires in 2022. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night. Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at Avax, which is the coin for the Avalanche project. So I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before investing money into